Mickey.
Now that you've got the glove balloon, you can have the clubhouse all to yourself, just like you were thinking.
Yeah, Pete's clubhouse. Uh-oh, it's nice, Pete.
Now, Petey, you know it's not nice to leave poor Mickey in the giant's bird cage. He's your friend. Mickey's not your friend. He didn't even give an invitation to the Easter party, remember?
He's got you there, nice Pete.
Oh, but Mickey did invite you. The
Dear
invitation's
fine.
right there, inside your back pocket. It's been there all this time.
It is? Do you see the invitation? Well, paint me a polka-dotted bunny rabbit and sit me in the plastic green grass. I got an invitation to the Easter party. Oh, Mickey didn't forget me. Maybe I shouldn't have been so sneaky.
Oh, weasel.
Well, what are we waiting for? We gotta save our friend Mickey. Hold on there, pal. Say, will you kids help me fly the glove balloon all the way up to the bird cage and save Mickey? Great! Now, reach your hand in the air and grab the rope. Now, pull! It's working. Okay, keep pulling there. Great! Now, one more big pull! Woohoo! Way to go! We made it!
Hurry up, Pete. We gotta open the bird cage before the giant comes back. Will you help me and Pete lift the latch? Great! Now put your hands out in front of you, grab the latch, and lift. Lift, lift, lift. We almost got it.
Boom, boom, boom. Pomegranates, the giant's coming back.
Now, one more great big lift.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Clark, Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, Washington, Oregon, at 10:18 a.m. on November 5th, 2018, effective until 12:18 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system through broadcast stations in the greater Portland/Vancouver area, including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington, with the cooperation of public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators. This system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency in Vancouver, Washington. This concludes this test message.
Hooray! Good work! Now let's get out of here.
Go back, we! Oh, hurry there, Mickey. The giant's coming.
We have to say the magic words super fast. What are the right magic words? Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Say them again, only faster. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
Bye-bye. I taught him how to fly.
I told.
Oh boy.
That was a close one.
Gee, thanks for helping us get away from the giant.
Ooh, looky here. Easter eggs and jelly beans.
Aw, those are for the Easter party. You got your invitation, didn't you, Pete?
Oh, I sure did, Mickey. I thought you forgot about me, but you didn't, 'cause you're my pal.
You betcha, pal.
You know, I'm glad you're leader of the clubhouse, Mickey. It's too much work for me.
Oh,